Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today in this video, I want to telling you how to configure OSPF Authenticate in Router OS V6. So, from our last topology, we've been set up OSPF, basic OSPF with three different area. First, we have area backbone, area 1, and area 2. For the area 2 is connected, not directly connected to our area backbone, but it connected because we use virtual link. So, and so now we will do the configuration for OSPF authentication. Firstly, go into the router, then open routing OSPF interface, then add interface, sorry, because I want to set up on Ether 2, which is this network. I will add the interface is Ether 2, and then for the authentication we will use MD5 uh, protocol. Uh, and then we set up authentication key, and for the key you can use anything, but in this authentication on this video I will use the password right on here, which is OSPF auth. Then if you print it, as you can see here, so as you can see here, we've got our authentication, which is MD5, and the key is OSPF auth on Ether 2. Next, after this, if you check the routing table on IP root, we cannot see the OSPF connection because OSPF authentication is encrypting the OSPF packet. So you cannot get the OSPF network in, unless you set up both of the network connection with authentication key correctly. So if we configure again the OSPF authentication on this router, the connection, all of this should be connected. So I will configure it. To do that, like before, we use routing OSPF interface, then add interface Ether 1, because we will set up on here that connected to the router, which is Ether 1. And for the authentication that we use is MD5 lastly, and for the authentication key we use OSPF auth. So if you check on here, this interface, this Ether1 interface will have the authentication algorithm using MD5 and the authentication key using OSPF auth. So back into the first router, if you check again on routing, we should get the OSPF area, OSPF network that dynamically connected, dynamically added from this router. Maybe that's all what I can tell to you. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.